the birds need food and sunlight, the nestlings need to be fed constantly, so we need to collect insects multiple times a day. It is clear that there is a lot of work with them. Very frequently the birds have to be fed. I got a chance to collect insects as well, and it's been truly amazing to take part in this incredible project. Currently, the Žuvintas Reserve has been getting quite some sunlight, which is highly beneficial for the growth of the young birds. The birds are not missing anything right now and are growing very well. When there are very sunny days like this, Vitalijus takes the birds outside to natural sunlight so they can gain some natural vitamin D. Vitamin D, of course, is necessary for the absorption of calcium and helps prevent rickets and other conditions. Supplemental vitamins are also fed to the birds daily because we want them to be strong when we finally release them into the wild.